Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I, Maria Abdullah, your English language teacher, welcome you to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. Before we start our subject English language, please subscribe this page and click on the bell icon. Students, as you can see that our today's topic is creative writing, and you have to write few lines about this topic, my favorite toy. In this video, we will discuss our week 6 homework, that is your creative writing about the topic my favorite toy, and there are 2 activities which you will do with your family. Our lesson objectives are: you will recall the memories of your childhood and you will write about a given topic with the help of the given points. Students, as you can see, there are different pictures. The one is teddy bear, a doll house, a doll and a car. So your favorite toy could be anything which you like most, and you will write about that particular toy in this writing. What is your favorite toy? Now before we start our conversation, our discussion, what is your favorite toy? We will discuss that what is a toy. A toy is an item that is used in play, especially one designed for such use. It could be anything, it could be anything which you like. There are so many toys, but there should be one particular toy which you like the best. Why it is your favorite toy? That is, you have to tell me the reason, that what is the reason behind your likeness. Why you like this toy or why you are attached to this toy. There are so many reasons that we like a particular thing, so you have to tell me that particular thing or that reason for your likeness. Your memories with this toy. If you like something, you have some beautiful memories with it, so you will tell me that who gave you this toy? Is it your birthday present or a prize gift? What you like most in this toy, or do you still have your toy? So all these questions you have to answer me, you have to tell me the reasons behind it, and then you will do your writing. Look at it carefully and describe its name, color, shape, size and texture. Means that you have to keep in mind about your favorite toy. Then you will tell about its name, what is its name, what is the color of it, what is its shape, size and texture. After all these things, keeping in mind all these questions, you have to write at least 7 to 8 sentences about the given topic very clearly. Our success criteria is: recall your memories about your favorite toy and do your work neatly in your notebook. Students, as I have discussed earlier that I have some activities for you which you will do with your family. So here is our first activity. Step 1, make a birthday calendar. Number 2, interview all family members to know the date and month of their birthday. Number 3, write their names after the month. Number 4, ask each member what is your favorite month and why. And step 5, decorate the calendar with drawing and pasting. I hope all of you will enjoy this activity. I have another activity for you. In this activity, you have to play a game, and that game is known as noun game or name place thing. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to play this noun game known as noun place thing with your family. Step number 2, you have to introduce rules of noun game. Step number 3, you have to prepare a page, draw columns for this game, or write 4 headings on top of each column. Your heading should be name, place, thing, animal. And step 4, you have to explain do's and don'ts of this game along with time limit and scoring rules. That's all for now, students. Thank you.